Hi guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the new Litra Torch Drone Edition. It's a 1.5 inch cube LED light, waterproof down to 10 feet. It's got a couple of 1/4 inch threads on there, one on the bottom, one on the side, so you can mount it horizontally. You can also mount it vertically. It's got a number of different light outputs. Start off at 100, so a quick press of the button will give you a 100 lumen continuous light. Another press will give you 450 lumen continuous. A third press takes you up to 800 lumen continuous. Another press on there will give you an SOS Morse code flash. Press it again, we get a 2200 lumen slow strobe. We press it again, we get the same 2200 strobe, but it's a lot faster. Press it again and turns the light off. And so it'll go through each sequence with each press of the button. It's made from aluminium, so it's relatively lightweight. The reason we've got the Mavic 2 here is you can actually mount this to a 1/4 inch mount. So if we wanted to mount this to the drone, we simply just screw it on. You've got a little screwdriver slot there, so you can actually tighten it up so it's nice and secure on top of the mount. And then to mount it to the Mavic 2 series, so it'll mount to the Mavic 2 Zoom, the Mavic 2 Pro and the Mavic 2 Enterprise series. Just a case of clipping it in and you've got that on there now, nice and solid. And again, just push that to go through your desired lighting setting. We've flown this at 500 meters with a 2200 lumen strobe, and it is highly visible from the pilot's point of view. So it's a great light to use if you want to find your orientation. So if you're not sure which way the drone's pointing, or you want to illuminate directly in front of you while using a video, then you can certainly do that. These are available on the website, including the mount and the O-rings with the light, $99.99. You'll find a link in the description below. Any questions, drop me a message.